Wow.
Babe, how are you now?
I'm fine, Jerry.
I've been waiting for you to bring the subscription because I wanted to on television since DSTV is not working.
Oh, it's working. It's working. It's just that you are finished. I mean, like the subscription is no more subscribing again.
Oh, I see. Because I don't know. Are you smelling anything? Can you perceive something? You can't smell sakpa.
Maybe some.
You can't smell sakpa. You're not noticing things, so I want to cook when I first come in the morning. Now the gas didn't gas. Now the subscription will subscribe. As something is telling me that later your rent will rent. You will just meet your load outside.
I just feel like it's with time. I'm not like it's not going to be for long. I'm just broke for the anything.
You don't know. Let me tell you something about time. Time is adamant. Before you know what's happening, you leave the mat. It will remain hard. Things will be hard for you. And you're still doing guy boy, Otoshin war, gold and shame.
It's fake. It's not working.
How would they help you? People that want to help you, God, they are not wearing the fake. Ovekiti. You need to.
I just feel like you should just motivate me.
So you don't feel motivated like this. Because I'm just telling you all the problems you have ahead of you. So that you will know the right things to do, when to do them, and how to do it. Ordinary 2.5 or 2.6 cable. Kinds of.
Hi. Dollars, meet me upstairs now, please. I need to see you.
You have to drink water upstairs.
Hello, Jay. So, is that not Precious? Your ex-girlfriend? Precious, good. Okay. That's yeah. No problem. Can take 10 minutes.
What are you doing? What are you doing in my house, Precious?
Can you stop manhandling me like that?
Oh, sorry for handling you like that. The thing is, it's been over between us for 4 years. Why are you in my house with your bags?
Why are you tense? What is wrong?
Do you know who's downstairs? That's my fucking babe!
Who asked you? I don't care. Okay? We are done.
It's like you don't know who's
Oh,
downstairs.
Jesus Christ.
Why are you here?
That's what you should have asked a long time ago. Anyway, you remember the money you gave me years ago?
I gave you a lot of money years ago.
You borrowed me.
Oh, yes, yeah. 4 years ago. That's 4 years ago. Have you forgotten?
Stop shouting. Right. Stop shouting.
Okay.
Anyways, I played lottery with the money.
Money lottery?
Yes. And then it came out nice. I brought your own share. That's the bag you saw downstairs.
You mean it's money that's in that bag?
Yes.
Like how much?
Just 300 million.
What? The fuck? Are you serious?
What is...
It's a lie. Are you serious?
Calm down.
What? Babe. Sorry, that.
If not because of what is in our middle, you can wait. Then you are mad. You are very stupid, though. Yes. Because you have head in chest. Oluwadolarz, you are coming inside this house. You are bringing traveling bag, a whole traveling bag inside my boyfriend's house. Say, oh, think you are not sharing the name in public. The name is not. It's not plenty in your head. You are mad, though. Just think of that. I'm not in the mood. So we can't be the day that you miss me, you miss me at home. No, family now. It's my child that sit down here. Ask me that where's bag. Who am bad agree? Rubbish. What's that? Hello there. You can't smell anything. What is soon now swear weary? What soon down?
Like how soon that you want to cook them?
Oh, sorry. I didn't know why you stay longer in that hotel. I didn't know they'll see me. What's so getting me?
You did... You did what?
Yeah!
I did
Yeah!
I did joke, I mean. I did Ludo. I won't run.
Yeah! Give everything. I don't care. Yeah.
Why you people just
Kiki!
Oṣogbo owó ni, why do you do blood money?
Kiki is money that she bring for me.
It's money I bought. Temita.
Yeah, the tapa.
Why you don't know off the you don't know off the light? You can't off it. Please, wait to. I'm just thinking about it. They bring money for you. I still burn it. Ola, are you sure you are born to rule like this?
I will pour you to ashes.
Baby, call her back.